in Google Drive, I know that a file is shared with somebody to collaborate on if it has this little icon of the sharing icon here. And I can change the sharing settings for a file in Google Drive by right-clicking on the file to get the menu and go to the sharing setting, or I can select the file and click on the sharing icon up here as well. And this will bring up the sharing setting, and I can change the collaborator to an editor, commenter, or a viewer, and you have to click save each time to change those settings. I can also change how long the access to this file is. So for instance, if I go to give temporary access, then I can change on a calendar when I'd like the access to this file to stop. And again, if I click change now, save now, this will save it. And then just to review what has gone on, we go back to share, and I can see that the DLT account is a viewer of this file, and it is limited because the access expires on the 7th of February. And of course I could change this to something else. I could remove the expiry just back to a normal viewer, or put the editor back. And then finally, just going back into the sharing settings, I can remove somebody entirely from the document so that they can't edit it or view it at all by clicking the remove button. One final thing to note here is that I can actually give this file to somebody else to own. At the moment, I own this document. If I give it to somebody else to own, then they take on the ownership and can change the sharing settings and editing settings.